So guys, nandito kami ni Atom.
Hello
Naglaban.
guys.
Okay, let's go.
No.
Okay. Let's go now.
Where do you wait this dummy?
You be a ninja too. Hello. Leah. Where is the enemy?
Si Atom ang
Yeah. Hindi.
Si Atom.
Ano? Hey. Swing! Swing! Look at this. You're so cute. Look at this.
Hey yo.
Excuse me.
Hey, yo.
Hello.
Can you just do that you? Ang lead ni Atom.
Okay.
I want to do statue pa.
Let's 1v1. You are my boss when you... Me too, I'm noob. You kill me now. Oh, what's this? Wow. I'm so cool. So let's leave now. Nagawa ko kanina yung paglaban ko kay I'm so cool.
What's Kim Friend doing? Kim Friend's not even playing anything. Join ko na lang si Bethany.
Sa Brookhaven.
Si Brokey. Si Broken.
I'm so strong in the strongest battleground now. Let's go.
Can you beat my biggest kuya in strongest battleground?
Yeah, I can beat it.
Or what about my Sigma kuya?
I will beat him.
My Sigma kuya. Please.
I'm ready now. I'm
Please.
ready.
I'm not ready yet.
I want you
Where's
to
Bethany? I just saw the purple guy. I saw Thanos. Hello, Thanos.
Thanos! Not Thanos. Ay,
Hello,
Thanos.
Thanos. Hello, Ilusnus.
Inusnus. Ginastus.
Get ko yung card ko.
Oy, si Thanos! Two Thanos. Two Thanos.
No.
Ayun.
Don't go in my car. Get your own car. Get your own car.
Wait for me!
No. You got in my car? I won't wait for you.
I'm so faster to you. Look. Unahan kita.
Bethany?
That is a boy, not girl. Dol.
Hindi, Bethany.
Cute ka cake. Oh!
Move. Mike Tyson. Get out. Get out! Someone just hopped in my car. Can you fix it?
I will leave na lang. I will go. Here.
Trying to
In the strongest. Laban na.
problem.
She's pretty or not?
No.
That is your girlfriend. Do you know? No. Okay. That is not your girlfriend or your girlfriend.
Then do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Wait.
Yeah, meron. Siyempre meron.
Sino yun? Classmate mo ba?
No. Not my classmate. People. Someone is my crush.
Don't
Do you know?
join me.
Ah,
Don't join me.
what?
No, join me. I just want to find Bethany.
I will kill you in the school.
Oh, in Brooklyn. Wala akong pagkain. Okay, may natin TV mo wala akong kain.
Kailangan kumuha.
Kasi kain. Ako yung join me.
Sabi mo, you said don't join me. Wait.
Sorry. So you want to attack you?
But kasi,
Did you know someone's like?
let's
Did you?
exchange avatar na lang. Kasi,
No, but Glenn, did you know one day when I was at school and it was almost to one and to go home, someone was crying in their seats. So embarrassing, right?
yeah. Oh.
Dad, where are you?
What house that? 11?
No, 12.
Okay, I found.
Logi ka daw. It's unlocked.
What is this?
It's unlocked.
Someone get letter has been sent. That one. You look.
She knows.
Oh, you read that. It's lol. I said lol.
Tinapon ni ating yung chinelas mo.
Tinapon ba? Eh, tinapon mo!
Ano?
Eh, excuse me.
I'm still gonna play. Oh.
Wait lang. Liam, tignan mo. Liam, tignan mo. Halika. Open again this. Tapos basahin mo yung ano. Tignan mo na ano.
Stop mail from?
Yes. Has been stopped.
Yes.
Ay, kuya, tignan mo ah.
What?
Mas jacket lang mas malakas kaysa sa akin dyan. Liam, palit tayo.
No.
Bulak.
Ayoko.
Oh, bawal mong hiramin.
Mama! Ayaw niya ako pahiramin!
Bawal.
Mama!
Mama, ayaw niya ipagpalit yung bola. Lobat nga ma lobat. Alis na lang tayo. Ano yun? Alis na tayo. Bye.
No. Can you just go be my dad?